Welcome back to another walk around and test drive at Coyote Classics. Today, we're gonna be checking out a very, very nice Mopar. This is a 1970 Sport Satellite restored to a very high standard. Good sounding dual exhaust, coming from the numbers matching 383 4-barrel engine. This is a really unique car because I can't imagine there was a whole lot of them built in 70. You know, you could either get the Roadrunner with the big motor or the GTX. Not often do you see a Sport Satellite with a 383 4-barrel.
This is a sweet car. Look at the quality on this 1970 Satellite. Isn't that awesome?
Yeah.
Numbers matching 383 4-barrel, factory tack, buckets, console, fender tag. I'm gonna go ahead and shut the engine down a minute.
This thing's a show winner.
We've sold this car twice over the last 6 years.
Yep.
Twice.
Yep.
And it sold both times right away. Each owner owned it for about a couple years, loved it, shown it, got as many trophies as they could win with it, and traded in for something else, just for something. And we have a lot of our customers do that. Every year, every 2 years, they trade in beautiful cars for another one. And, you know, people
once we had so many trophies with one thing, you kind of got to get something else to get trophies with. But
yeah, if you want to show, that's what it is. But power steering, aluminum radiator, just bone stock, gorgeous. Underneath the hood, except for that aluminum radiator.
And the paint quality, like I said, this ain't brand new paint, but it still looks brand freaking new.
Yeah, what was it? At least 6 years old.
Yeah.
5 years old, 5, 6.
Yep.
I think it was painted like a year before we got it the first time.
Yep.
So
7, 8 year old paint probably.
yeah. I love the front end of a 1970. The grill, just the swooping grill there is gorgeous. Bumper's excellent. Gap is excellent. Top of the hood, top of the fender, top of the cowl all line up great. Same thing over here on the passenger side. Chrome Magnum 500s, BFG raised white letter tires, 215 70-15s on the front. Absolute laser straight body. Bottom of the lower door matches the quarter, excellent. Over top of the wheel well is beautiful. The nice little scoops in there.
I mean, the paint still looks wet on it. And then when you look up and down the sides, I mean, there's not a, I mean, it's just about as straight as you can ever get a car to be.
Yeah, it's freaking nice Mopar D. Looks like we got a couple little water spots that the boys
Missed.
dripped on there again. Dual exhaust is awesome. Back bumper, tail light. Just even the, look at the paint here in this tail light area. As we pop in here, gorgeous paint under the trunk lid. Oh yeah, that.
I didn't skimp anywhere.
Stock valve covers, right? Kept the original ones. Looks like front bumper lens.
But even just look at that, you know.
Yeah, it's all like that underneath. I mean, it's the paint on the floor on this is nice as the paint on the outside of the car.
Yeah, it's painted nice black.
Black what?
It's painted black underneath.
Oh no, I'm talking under here.
Oh, under the trunk. Yeah,
The
sorry.
trunk mat is all red, just gorgeous.
Yeah. Underneath very nice though too.
Yeah.
Painted black.
Thanks. Black vinyl tops, great. That's excellent. Back shelf, top of the back seats, beautiful. Top of the door matches up so nice. And the paint on the inside of the doors, top and bottom, door panels. And this has got the deluxe interior with that little bit of silver, you know what I mean, cord on it, on the door panels and everything. Isn't that gorgeous?
Yeah. If you want a car that would win best paint at almost any show, I mean, this is it.
Are you gonna want your windows down when we cruise in it? If so, you must roll them down now. The seats, the padding in the seats are awesome. It does have like 4 little tiny cracks on the dash pad, and we have an interior guy right now waiting for us to get done with our video. He's gonna go ahead and fix all that.
Yep.
So, the rest of the dash is beautiful. There's your Sport Satellite, original wood grain, looks nice. Original steering wheel, headliner is excellent, dome light works. This is always tricky.
Sorry.
It's all right. Here's your seat belts. What's the deal here, D? You know?
I think the boys buckled them wrong.
Oh yeah, it's not supposed to be buckled. I don't know what they did there.
We got a couple kids working for us for the summer doing some detail work and helping out.
They're doing a great job.
They're doing really good, but still got a little bit to learn yet.
Yeah. All right, back door panels are awesome. Back seats in great shape. Carpet, floor mats, got the Satellite floor mats. Paint on the inside of the doors, in the corner of the doors, just as nice as the rest of it. Hood, trunk lid, doors, fenders. Everything was off when we did the paint, when they did the paint on this thing. Look how nice that shuts too.
Mm-hmm. And gaps are great.
Like you said, same thing on this door. I mean, the bottom of the door, you're not going to get it to fit any better than the Satellite.
I think it's so cool that this car stayed pure too. You know, no one put Roadrunner stickers on it and turned it into a Roadrunner. And it's probably because it's rarer and cooler as a Sport Satellite.
I think it is.
Because then you get the deluxe, you get the nice wood grain bucket seat center console, you get the nicer interior, and you still get the performance of the Roadrunner.
Yep, exactly. Love it. Corner of the door. I mean, there's just, I don't see any imperfections hardly at all. And I don't know how, because like I said, this thing's
7 years old.
Been restored 5 or 6 years ago, and the paint still looks like this.
I'd hate to see how much the check was for this paint job.
Well, we could call Dan up and ask him.
Yeah.
I mean, he had it painted. I know he did. Yeah, the wood grain is just phenomenal on the door panels.
See, the only thing on it that wasn't, you know, nothing's perfect, but the only thing on it that wasn't, you know, fantastic was the dash, and like Chad mentioned, the guy's gonna fix that in 10 minutes.
Yeah, yeah. Love it. And it's got the retractable seat belts, which is nice. I'm gonna tuck that back in there. I love the padded seats. I mean, the padded seats are so comfortable, aren't they?
Yeah, they are.
74,796 miles. Dome light works, by the way, also. But that's probably why all the gaps are so awesome.
Yeah.
74,000 miles. Horn works, alternator gauge works, is the horn we just charged in there. Factory tack, that's pretty cool.
That is cool.
Heater fan works. Wipers work, horn works, factory tack works. We had it running here for a little bit, so it's already 170 degrees. Oil pressures goes from 25 to 40.
And it's all warmed up.
Yep.
This thing's got a good
In
sound.
idle, it's still 25. Good oil pressure. All right. Any other questions? Man, it is so clean, isn't it? I got the radio turned on, but I don't think we got any.
Yeah, we do.
What? You gotta be sure.
That's cool. Original AM radio works.
I'm sold on it now.
That's
I wasn't
cool.
sold on it before, which I already was anyway, but I'm
Radio's
really
just like the cherry on top.
Yeah, really sold on it now. So we drove a lot of cool stuff today. Wrapping up our day here. Drove up the R code, 428 R code, 68 Mustang. We drove an awesome, you know,
just fun
Smiles
to drive.
for Miles, 1966.
Big block Impala.
Big block Impala SS, red. And then we went ahead and did a 57 Chevy turquoise and white with a 350 air conditioning and a 4-speed with some power. And we're wrapping it all up today in this awesome, numbers matching 1970 Plymouth Sport Satellite 2-door hardtop.
Yeah.
In an awesome color combination with red and the silver and black interior.
It's just, this car's special. I mean, look at the headliner too, just how nice that is.
Yeah. It's a really nice car. As far as the brakes go, the brakes are absolutely excellent.
Yeah, if you want something,
Sorry.
if you want something that you can take win trophies with, be really proud of, and this is the car.
This is it. Tack works good. Power steering works awesome. Tranny shift's nice. It was already in second. Speedometer 60 mile an hour.
Nice shift.
Yeah, shifts in the third at 70. Here's Justin driving the sold 1971 Ford. Yeah, here's our brakes again. It's phenomenal.
Yeah, it's a sweet car.
Let's do her one more time, should we? Take her back and see what the old gal has. It's got a nice sound too, don't it?
Mm-hmm. You go through the gears on her?
Want to?
Yeah, let's see what she's got. Nice. Good car.
That's 70, pop it up into third. This thing hauls.
It does. It's
It
just so,
not only hauls, look at just the perfectly straight down the road.
yeah.
I mean, the last two owners of this car have been, I want to say, really awesome, but a little fussy people. They wanted quality. They wanted something they could go to shows. They wanted something that they could jump in and get there.
Yeah.
And this car has provided for both of those people.
It's got everything, you know.
Yes.
It's great mechanically, amazing cosmetically, and if like you said, if you're picky, this is the car you should buy.
I agree.
Check it out on the site, coyoteclassics.com. I'll put a link down in the comment section if you're watching on YouTube. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.